Hi, this is Dr. Pooja Mandalia. I am a dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing in Rajkot city in Gujarat. Today I want to talk to you regarding the use of sunscreens during the monsoon season. Usually it is a common myth among people that we do not require to put sunscreen on our skin during monsoon because outside it is cloudy. Now I want to clear this myth that even if it is cloudy, we have to apply sunscreen on a regular basis. The reason for this is even when there are clouds in the sky, the infrared and the ultraviolet light from the sun rays does enter the upper layer of the earth and it does affect our skin. That is why regularly using sunscreen during monsoon is compulsory. Now, what should be the sunscreen like when we are using for the monsoon season? So, the sunscreen should be a water resistant one, it should be gel based, and it should be applied over a uniform layer on the surface of our skin. This sunscreen usually need not have a very high SPF in the monsoon season as it is already cloudy. So SPF 30 is usually sufficient for the sunscreen that we will be using in the monsoon season. Which all parts should be covered by sunscreen? So the entire face, including the ears, the lips, and the outer exposed part of your hands, as well as the neck. This should be covered when you are going out during the monsoon season, and a generous layer of sunscreen should be applied. Yes, if you are indoors, it is fine if you are applying only in the morning, but if you are outdoors, if you are continuously outdoors, then you have to reapply the sunscreen every 3 hours, even if it mentions that it is a 24-hour working sunscreen. So this care should be taken for the regular use of sunscreens. Now, how will the use of sunscreen benefit you in the monsoon season? So, as I said, the ultraviolet and infrared rays of sun does enter from the clouds in the monsoon season. So, this can affect the complexion of the skin. It can give you tanning, and it affects the skin in terms of aging also. It causes premature aging. So, in order to prevent all this, regular use of sunscreen in monsoon season is compulsory. It will give you an even complexion. It will prevent the fine lines and wrinkles and other signs of aging. It will prevent skin cancers on a long term, and it will prevent tanning. So that is why use of sunscreen is very important even in the monsoon season. Choose the correct sunscreen and apply on a regular basis. Have a happy and a glowing monsoon. Bye.